And today we have another polity important topic. Topic is the preventive detentions. What is the meaning of the preventive detention? Detention of a person without trial and conviction based on the apprehension of the activity of harmful to the public order authority. Parliament, state legislation can enact law under the Article 2022. Exceptions. Protection under Article 22 Clause 1 and 22 Clause 2. Right to be informed produced before the magistrate in 24 hours. Do not apply in a preventive detention in Article 22 Clause 3. Constitutional provision. Article 21 Clause A. Right to be informed on the ground of the arrest. Article 22 Clause 2. Must be produced before magistrate within the 24 hours. Article 22 Clause 4. Detention beyond 3 months. Require advisory board approval. Judge of the High Court. Article 22 Clause 5. Ground on the detention must be communicated promptly. Detainee has right to represent. Law permitting preventive detentions. BNSS Act 2023, Section 168 to 172. Preventive action by the police. Custody maximum 24 hours unless extended under the other provisions. National Security Act 1980, Unlawful Atrocity Prevention Act 1967, COFEPOSA Act in 1971, NDPS Act in 1984, PPMSCCA Act 1980 and earlier MIJA Act in 1971. Ground on the preventive detention. Security of the state, foreign affairs, security of India, maintenance of the public order and maintenance of the supply and essential service and defense. Judicial pronouncement. A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras case in 1950. Uphold Preventive Detention Act sitting explicit arts in the Article 22 Clause 5. Then the Vijay Narayan Singh versus the State of Bihar in the 1984. Preventive detention must be not bypass regular criminal procedures. In the Rekha versus the State of Tamil Nadu in 2011, preventive detention is not exception of Article 21, should be applied rarely. In the case of Jaislila Saji versus the Union of India in 2024, delay of the furnished rely upon open document, denied to the right to represent under the Article 22 Clause 5. Then the Dhania M versus State of Kerala in 2025. Supreme Court who held preventive detention cannot substitute criminal prosecution or bypass bail order.